Hey everybody, it's Mark again, and this is the clock that I made for my daughter for her birthday, and it wasn't working quite right. The pendulum that I made, I believe the bob was too heavy, and you had to shove it all the way up in the air in order for it to keep time. So I think Da Vinci's theory with the pendulum bobs is maybe not quite there, because I think the weight of the pendulum bob has a lot to do with the time, and I tried different lengths of pendulum leader wires and it still wasn't working, and so I ended up got a regular pendulum on it, and I might paint that pink. But I ended up putting a different movement in. I had to do a lot of different carving. I had to bend the bird wire. But anyway, I got this thing ticking again, and I've had it in my house for a few months now, and it's time to get it done and get it back to her. And I just don't feel like working on clocks all the time. I woke up this morning, felt like somebody was stepping on my back, and so that's why I don't work for the public. But anyway, I hope y'all like this video, and God bless.